मित्रांनो, इंग्लिश ग्रामरमधील पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीचमधील प्रेपोजिशन्स म्हणजे शब्दयोगी अव्यय याबद्दल आज आपण माहिती पाहणार आहोत. प्रेपोजिशन कनेक्ट्स nouns or pronouns to other words in a sentence. They show the relationship between words. नाम किंवा सर्वनामाने निर्देश केलेली वस्तू किंवा व्यक्ती यांचा दुसऱ्या कशाशी तरी काय संबंध आहे हे दाखवण्यासाठी नाम किंवा सर्वनाम यांच्या आधी येणाऱ्या शब्दाला शब्दयोगी अव्यय म्हणजेच प्रेपोजिशन असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, इन, ॲट, ऑन, ऑफ, टू, बाय, फॉर, विथ, अबाउट. प्रेपोजिशनच्या वापरानुसार आपण त्याचे विभाजन करू शकतो. प्रेपोजिशन ऑफ प्लेस. These prepositions tell us where something is located in relation to another thing. For example, in, at, on, above, below, behind, beside, between, near, around, inside, outside, throughout. These are the prepositions of place. For example, the book is in the box. The meeting is at 2 p.m. The cat is sleeping on the rug. Preposition of time. These prepositions pinpoint when something happens or how long it lasts. The preposition of time are in, at, on, before, after, during, since, until, for, by, past. For example, she arrived in the morning. We will meet at the cafe. The movie starts on Friday. I haven't seen him since yesterday. Preposition of direction. These prepositions show where something is moving or going. The preposition of direction are to, from, towards, into, out of, across, through, along, around. For example, she walked to the park. The bird flew from the tree. They ran across the street. The other remaining prepositions express a variety of relationships between words. The other prepositions are about, with, without, by, for, of, despite, because of. For example, I am happy for you. The car is driven by a computer. The book is about history. मित्रांनो, आता एक छानसे एक्झाम्पल आपण पाहूया. The dog is between the dog house and the tree. The dog is behind the dog house. The dog is in front of the dog house. The dog is in the dog house. The dog is beside the ball. The butterfly is above the dog. The dog is under the tree. The dog is on the dog house. What is prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is how we use preposition in a sentence. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition and ends with a noun or pronoun. A sentence can have multiple prepositional phrases. For example, my car is parked near the front of the parking lot. The laundry is still inside the dryer. The dog walked across the street to lay under the tree.